Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Safari cannot open the page because it cannot establish a secure connection to the server. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing this type issue in your Safari browser, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So you just have to go back from here and now you have to refresh your network first. So you can also try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a refresh with all of your network settings. And once you have done, you have to retry if this doesn't work for you. So you have to check your VPN connection. So open settings, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected because these type issues might help when you're connected to VPN. Once you have disconnected, go back, open apps, open Safari app from here. Select the option of clear history and website data. Select clear history. It will clear all the history and website data in your Safari browser. It will help you to fix issues or chunks like that. So after doing that, if you're still facing the same issue, open settings app, go for general here. And this time you have to select transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings, including your Wi-Fi, cellular, hotspot, Bluetooth, and also including your AirDrop. It will not remove your data, so you can easily try this. And after doing that, your issue will be fixed, and you'll be able to use your Safari browser without any issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.